Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix Netflix error code NW-2-5. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you can do is open up your web browser, and on the search bar simply type in speedtest.net and tap on go. And once you're here, tap on go and check to see if your Wi-Fi connection is strong or not. Sometimes the weaker connection also might be causing the issue that you are facing. So if that's the issue, then simply drag down the notification bar and then switch over between stronger Wi-Fi connections or simply switch between cellular data. If that doesn't work for you, then what you can do is head over to your settings app, scroll down and then tap on general, tap on iPhone storage, and once you're inside here, scroll down and then tap on Netflix and then tap on offload app once again. And what this does is it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches that is present in the app, which might be causing the issue that you are facing. And instead of this upload app, you will have an option that says reinstall app. Simply tap on that, and once that process is complete, all you gotta do is try again, and that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.